says, I feel far from Allah, ask them who moved. And I love that because all of us are going to struggle at times with our relationship with Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. And subhanAllah, all of us are going to have times where we feel farther away and we feel closer. That's part of being human. But Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says, He tells us, Inna salati wa nusuki wa mahyaya wa mamati lillahi rabbil alameen. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is saying that our prayers, our sacrifice, our life, and our death are only for Allah. And He could have just said, our salah is for Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, our hijab is for Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. But He's encompassing everything. And so when we feel like we're struggling in our relationship with Him, I think the question is, who is He to us? I think that the more we focus on who is Al-Hakim, the most wise, who is Al-Wadud, the source of love, who is As-Salam, knowing who He is makes it easier for us to understand that even if we don't necessarily see the wisdom behind a ruling, or we don't feel it. A lot of times people tell me, I don't feel it anymore, right? They don't feel salah, and that's why they don't want to pray. We don't have to experience an emotional high every time we do an act of worship. We do it because we love Allah. Out of this love for Him. Yes, we fear punishment, and yes, we want the reward. But the absolute biggest form of fearing is the fearing of displeasing Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Because we don't want Him to be displeased with us because our love for Him is so great.